Hi everyone, this is a quick flip through of a Christmas journal. It started life as one thing, then I had a brilliant idea and that didn't work, so it sort of morphed into something else. So this is about take 3. It's called Christmas Dreams. It's a hardcover journal, just short of 170 pages I think. Measures 6 to the beginning of the spine by 8 3/4 with a 2-inch spine. So on the front we've got, this is why it got its name, Christmas Dreams. This little girl sort of looks quite tired actually, I think, probably after all the festivities. Then we got some flowers, there's some pearls. The frame I've made, and I've covered in rose gold paint. And then there's a little sort of, I think it's supposed to be a deer. Well, I'm not 100% sure. That's like a metal embellishment of the name. Tim Holtz fasteners, there's a little ribbon fastening. Plain on the back. Fabric covered, very thick fabric I have to say, with a sparkly ribbon. And it is very much a children's theme one. So if we go inside, we've got the young lady and her snowman. A bit of printed vellum. There's just a, I suppose they're old newspaper clippings. Although these aren't the originals, I hasten to add. A half page. I've used 3 kits, so Watercolour Christmas is this one. Bit more of a tab. And this one is Tsunami Rose. That one. This is, actually I'm in an iron whether to put this music paper in. It's out of a 1920s book and it's a bit delicate, but it seems to be withstanding, so. And the centre. Some fabric which I've tea stained, and I've actually just put some stickles on it just to brighten it up a bit. Now this one is, I haven't stuck any of these in, so they all clip in so they can all be stuck down if you need a pocket. So this one is a flip out page, just a very faint outline of ivy on that. So if I just, sticky fingers, that was a good band actually, that one was. So we have some bit of bling. I love these pictures of these kids, brilliant. Nice deep pockets. That's a calico collage tag. That one. Book pages, another Tsunami Rose page. Envelope, it is empty. This one I think is Frau Crafts off Etsy. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. This is out of a book I picked up, Christmas Crafts. And this one I think is needlepoint. Centre. Oh yes, needlepoint, it's a needlepoint diagram. Another ticket which has been just clipped on. Bit of bling. Trouble with that, this glitter ribbon, is every time I cut it I get little bits of glitter everywhere. And the third, just a little music sheet, collage, paper bag. There is just a little ticket in there. Actually, I'm looking at this book and I'm thinking, no, it's the giveaway that's got Nectar's Creations. This one must be all the Tsunami Rose. I think it's called Christmas Gift. Centre. Just love the colours. Another card which has been clipped. And another collage. Another little tag in that. This is a bit of ribbon I picked up from Bath, I think it was. Bath, sorry. When we last went into the market, haven't we? I've been looking around for some more, and I'm sure as hell can't find any. Christmas list. Tab. Note cards. Did you hear me mention a giveaway? Yes. In the next couple of weeks or so. Well, no, actually, it'll probably be next week by the time I've got it all together. This ticket is in here because I love it and I can't find anywhere for it to go. So it's in there. I just love that bright, shocking pink. The giveaway is a belated 2,000 subscribers. Thank you, people. And an early 3,000 subscribers. That's just another sort of scanned copy of a newspaper. And it's to say thank you. It is a Christmas one. I have got it mostly together, and I will put it up next week, I think, the giveaway. But obviously you've got to be a subscriber, blah, blah, blah. So I'll sort it all out next week. So another collage. It's got a feather on this one. When I was clearing out, I found those. And I thought, oh, yeah. Some tag in there. Holly and mistletoe. Tag which has been clipped. I think that's probably my favourite collage. I just love the purple on it with another tag inside. Oh, there's the little girl that's on the front cover. Another nice deep lace pockets. Some wonderful drawings. And the centre. Another ticket. I love that page. I think it's the blues, probably, that I'm drawn to. Some more of the glitter ribbon. Some more printed vellum. This is just a scanned copy of newspaper. They are blank on the back. Old Lang Syne. I actually took a bit of time and read that. I haven't, didn't know the words. Everybody's like, yeah, on New Year's Eve. And it's like, oh, now I can do it properly. Oops. Hey, belly bands. Last of the tickets and the printed vellum and the back page. So there you go. Christmas dreams, because I think, well, especially in my profession, it's something you strive to make your kids do. Anyway, I will be listing this, so I'll put the link below. And yes, details of the giveaway will be next week by the time I've finish the journal off, and you know, that annoying thing called paid work where you have to leave the house and go. So we'll get it all done there. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.